Hello guys! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Merry Christmas! Ayan guys, naka-ready na yung aming table. Ayan, katatapos ko lang ayusin. At naglagay din ako ng konting fruits. Ayan guys. Yummy yummy yung guys. Yung grapes, ang tamis. Ayan. Ganyan lang. And thank you for watching. See you again in my next videos. Bye bye.